Hi, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time, kindly hit the subscribe button below to stay updated with my uploads. In this video, I'll show you how to buy or sell your crypto on Bitunix app using spot trading. By the way, if you haven't signed up on Bitunix, check the video description for the sign up link to register. Alright, let's get to the video. Open your Bitunix app. Here's how the app looks. Spot trading on Bitunix is buying or selling cryptocurrencies instantly at the current market price. It involves direct asset exchange between buyers and sellers. To do spot trading, you tap on the Markets button. Pick the Spot tab. Select your trading pair. Let me look for CAT/USDT under Spot Trading. Let me first show you how to buy crypto. Click the Buy button. To change trading pairs, just tap here. Make sure you're under the Buy tab. This red section shows the sell orders, and the green part shows the buy orders. The middle part is the current market token price. Let's keep it under limit order. A limit order on Bitunix is a trade order where you set a specific price to buy or sell a cryptocurrency. The order will only execute if the market reaches your set price or better, offering more control over your trades. Here, you enter the buy price. Below, you input how much token you want to purchase. You can also use this indicator from 0 to 100%. Here, you'll see how much USDT you'll be using. Once all is set, you click the Buy button. Your open orders will be shown below. To cancel your order, you tap Cancel here.
A few moments later.
After a few minutes, my buy order has been filled. To see your order history, you tap this icon. To sell your crypto, you switch to the Sell tab. Let's say I want to sell my CAT tokens. Let's keep it under limit order. Enter the sell price here. Input the amount you want to sell. Once all is set, you tap the Sell button. Your sell order will be shown below. Then you just wait till the sell price is hit, and it will be sold automatically. To cancel, just hit Cancel here. That's how you buy or sell crypto using spot trading on Bitunix app. If you have questions, feel free to comment below, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell for more cryptocurrency video tutorials. See you in my next video.